In today's video, I'm going to be talking about scents and hair products. We're going to talk about both. Let's get right into it. So, I was gifted some things in PR, not sponsored. These are both from two different companies. I briefly talked about it on I don't know if I did a shorts video, but I did share it on TikTok. Maybe I shared it on Instagram too. So we're going to talk about this one first. These were gifted to me from Mercier, and they smell wonderful. They smell wonderful. So the line is called Ombre Vanilla. That's a scent. That's the name of it. Ombre Vanilla. It's a serum body cream. I can tell you what's in them, and then I'm going to describe the scent of them. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay. Now I know that fragrance is different for everybody, but I really like this scent. It just says Laura's fragrance inspiration combines two of her favorite notes to create a unique interpretation of all of her own. The soft sensuality of amber blends effortlessly with the warm comfort of vanilla to create a fragrance of feminine elegance and sophistication. Infused with fresh floral notes of tangerine, tiger, orchid, and heliotrope. I know I'm not saying that right, I'm sorry. And enhanced by the almond, brown sugar, coconut, and musky sandalwood, the effect is an intimate personal fragrance that is rich and yet discreet. So that pretty much is the same fragrance in all, the same notes in all of this, okay? It says that the body cream instantly nourishes your skin with shea butter, squalene, to deliver a silky feel for the skin that is immediately hydrated for up to 24 hours. In addition to the French olive oil, French plum seed, glycerin combined to help restore skin's elasticity, tapioca starch to create a blurring and smoothing effect, leaving behind perfect looking skin with an elegant sheen. I love this. It smells divine. Oh my gosh. I just want to eat it. It definitely has more of a sweet, but very, to me, kind of a tropical scent, if you will. And I will say that this is as a description, okay? It's very similar to the De Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, the original one. It's very similar to that, and I've always liked that. So it smells delicious. It smells delicious. I love it. And the scent lasts, and I like that. It's not, for me, it's not overpowering. I have had, I bought one actually from De Janeiro that is so overpowering. It was like too intense all night long. Like this isn't like that, okay? Smells amazing. And I love how simple the packaging is. Can you see that? It's just kind of like a light pink lid. It's probably hard to see with my lighting. I love the packaging on it. And then we have the oil. So the oil it says it's a bath and body oil. So you can put it in your bathtub or you can use it on your skin. Now sometimes I will use something like this and then I will put this on top. That's how I tested it the first time. So I put this on and then I put this on top, kind of seal it. I don't always like to use an oil on its own because sometimes I feel like it kind of sits on your skin, you know what I mean? But this is lovely. Again, has the same scent. So I want to tell you what it says about it. We already know the notes, so we're not going to go into that. It says on here, discover aromatherapy benefits with Laura Mercier's aromatic bath and body oil. This luxurious oil smooths and revives the skin, providing hydration for up to 24 hours. It has baobab seed, jojoba seed, French plum seed, oil blend of lightweight oils, high in vitamins, antioxidants help the formula glide into skin and create a healthy glow. So I'm going to show you what it looks. I just love look how pretty this is. Just sitting out when you're not even using it. It looks beautiful. And that's what it is. So there's no pump, so you just have to pour out what you want, okay? Then we have the body scrub here. Let's see if it says what. No, I have to look at the box. It comes in this package, and this is kind of, I'll put a little bit on. It smells wonderful. Again, so That's what it looks like. See how it looks kind of, you can see the little granules in it. I mean, you smell just like delicious when you're using this. Indulge with Laura Mercier's exfoliating body wash. Sugar scrub and strawberry seeds eliminate impurities and enhance circulation, while the blend of lightweight oils and extracts provide the intensive moisture, leaving soft, supple, and radiant. Oh my gosh, again, love it. Love it, love it, love it. This isn't something, this is only something I would use, I was going to say, like once a week or something. And I don't use this all the time. You know, like once a week, maybe once every couple weeks, something like that. Just smells just wonderful. I love the scent of it. And then there's the hand cream. Now this is the one that I want to explain, okay? Let me read what it says on here. Says this is the souffle hand cream, instantly nourishes your skin with shea butter, mango seed butter, cocoa seed butter to deliver a silky feel for skin that's immediately hydrated for up to 24 hours. The addition of French olive oil, French plum seed oil, glycerin combined help to smooth the skin. Tapioca starch creates a blurring and skin evening effect to eliminate dry skin cracks, leaving behind perfect looking skin with an elegant sheen. I haven't tried this yet. I'm not sure. Here's the thing. My hands were really a mess for a long, long time. You know, and you guys know the hand cream I love, the one from Neutrogena. So I'm always afraid to use fragrance on my hands because I don't know. I'll try it. Here, I'll try it now. I've just been hesitant as I don't know. My hands are sensitive to it, you know, to a fragrance. So I usually don't use fragrance. But I'll put some on. We'll try it together. That's what the tube looks like. It's hard to see with the lighting. When stuff is so bright. I'm going to play it like this. It might be better to do it that way. And then I can tell you what my gosh, it just smells so wonderful. I really like this line. There's different lines of her Bath and Body. This is one of her newer ones. She has other ones as well that I hear are amazing. So how does it feel? It feels nice. It doesn't feel greasy. That's one thing I will say about the Neutrogena, but I usually use that at night. This definitely absorbs into your skin fast, so it feels nice. And then we have this, the perfume. So the perfume looks like this. Look how pretty that bottle is. I love the simplicity of it, and it's that same fragrance, and I'm going to put some on. I usually walk, like I'll squirt a little bit there, but then I spray it and walk. It's wonderful. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So if you like that kind of a scent, you're going to love it. Love it, love it, love it. It just says this unique composition can be worn alone or layered over your favorite Bath and Body luxuries to create a new scent experience. But it's all the same notes. It's wonderful. I love it. Highly recommended if you're into that fragrance. Like I said, I really like it because it's very, I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of like a vacation kind of a scent, you know? I just love it. Okay, so Colleen Rothschild gifted me some of her hair products. There's something in here that I didn't try that I feel like is maybe new since I stopped using it. So I'm going to show you all this, but I just wanted to say this. I switch up my hair products. Every so often I have to do it. When I stopped using this, I said, I love her products, but I just have to switch right now. I just have to do that because I just feel like when I use stuff over and over again, after a while, it just doesn't work as well. Like I loved the Enjoy, but I needed to change it up, okay? And there's another products that were gifted to me, and I shared that in a video not too long ago. Just basically was created by a mature woman for mature hair. Younger, not better, or better, not younger, something like that. I'm sorry, off the top of my head, and I don't have my phone in here, okay? And I don't script you can see, I don't script my videos, honey. I just talk to you guys. But she gifted me this travel set, which I love. I love the idea of this, and I love bringing little products like this with me, and I love her products. So I want to go over them. This is another line that I love the scent of it. It reminds me of, I've said this years ago, it reminds me of Evelyn and Crabtree had, I used to love that line. Back in the 80s, Evelyn and Crabtree was my jam. And they had a perfume, and I think it was called Savannah Garden, and that's what this reminds me of. So this is the hair mask, okay? It just Quench and Shine Restorative Hair Mask. This is something that you can just use once a week. I'm going to be honest with you. I was using it all the time. and it never weighed my hair down. It smells wonderful. It smells wonderful. And I love her packaging on it too. So this is the travel size. You would get a bigger size, obviously, if you order the bigger size, which I'm going to after I use these. And after I use my other, because I'm using that up too. But this is something that's new. This is the Replenish and Shine Daily Conditioner. Now, she didn't have this when she first released that. And I love this. I love this. I feel like it's just as nice as this, but if you feel like this was too heavy for you, then you're going to like this. It just, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I just love her pink packaging. And then we have this. This is the Protect and Perfect Styling Cream. So I would use this on my damp hair. After I would take a shower, that's when I would put this on, okay? So what this says about this, it's a lightweight leave-in treatment. It has shea and capuku butter. Am I saying that right? To help to defend against heat and humidity, smoothing hair while maintaining body. I love this. Now, I live in Florida, and there's nothing like, I'm inside right now, okay? If I went outside, my hair probably will get a little bit flyaway, fuzzy looking. This does help, but it's not like 100%. I don't think there's any product that I've ever used that's been 100% like my hair doesn't look fuzzy. At some point, if it's really hot and humid, it's just going to happen because I have some natural curl in my hair, even though I know one side looks more straight than the other side, but I do, so it just happens. But this is a lovely product. I love all their hair products. I'm just going to tell you, I do. And that's coming from a hairstylist. I feel like I'm pretty picky about my hair products. This is the Quench and Shine shampoo. Again, I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then this is another product. This is not new, though. I was using this before. This is the Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. So this is, again, to banish frizz, tame flyaways. It's great for dry ends. So you can use this sparingly, okay? So this is more of a serum. You could even mix a little bit of this with this. So put a little bit of this on your hand and then squeeze maybe a pump of this and put it together and put it in your hair. And then we have this, which is great. So this is a great scalp massager. It's wonderful. And I love hers. Great for when this feels so amazing. It really does. So when you're shampooing your hair, you just go in with this and you just massage it. And oh my gosh, it feels like your scalp just tingles after you use this. And it helps to stimulate hair growth. Now, and that's all that's in here, by the way, but I like that you have this nice little case too. My hair is pretty thick. I have to say I am pretty lucky with my hair. My hairstylist used to actually thin my hair. I had to tell her to stop doing it because I don't like seeing those little flyaways, so I don't do that anymore. But I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair, you guys. Let me see, like here. Where's my hair? I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair in my head. I really do. And I'm lucky with that. So, anyways, I really like these products. I really like the Laura Mercier products. Would highly recommend all of these. Definitely check them out. Again, not sponsored. We'll leave links below so you can check them out. So, thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please make sure you smash that subscribe button below if you're already a subscriber. I truly appreciate your continued support. Please do me a favor. Make sure you share, like, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out. And more people can see my videos, and I would really, 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 really appreciate it. So I feel like I need to have a song, like at the end of my video that I say, so I don't sound like a robot. But I just want you to know when I'm saying that I truly appreciate you, I truly appreciate you. Okay? I'm not just saying, like, I truly appreciate you. Like, more than you know. More than you know. That's why I like interacting with you guys in the comments. How many people do that? How many people reply back? Yeah. And I reply back to every video. Now, if there's something that could be an old video and somebody asked me a question and I don't remember because I haven't, you know what I mean? That video is like 5 years old, and if it's a question I can't answer, then I don't. But for the most part, I always reply back because I like to. It's part of what I enjoy doing. I like doing that. I feel like I know so many of you guys over the years. I feel like I'm your friend. Like, we're friends even though we've never met. I just feel that connection even though we haven't met, just from the comments. And I know a lot of you guys feel like that too. So anyways, I really appreciate you guys. That's all I want to say is I really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Again, I really appreciate you. Did I say that? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, anyways. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Bye.